Hey everyone, it's Tom here with webmonkey.com, and I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. So, have you ever wanted to start your own Shopify e-commerce business? Selling products online through Shopify has been one of the most popular side hustle ideas for the last few years, but so many people think that you need to be some kind of guru or have tens of thousands of dollars to get started with Shopify dropshipping. But in reality, it's never been easier or faster to start your own dropshipping business, especially with the help of AI tools. And that's why in today's video and for episode 1 of this new series, I'm going to be launching my own Shopify dropshipping business for under $100. Now, I'll also be sharing some tactics I'm going to start using to market this store for free so you don't have to rely on expensive Facebook ads or TikTok ads, and you can actually get sales with organic traffic. If you've ever wanted to try out Shopify dropshipping for yourself, this is definitely the video for you. I hope you're as excited for episode 1 as I am. Let's get to it. All right, guys. So when it comes to actually building a Shopify dropshipping store, a lot has changed in just the last couple of months. Just a few years ago, you really had to know how to use Shopify if you wanted to launch a business on it. And this usually requires spending hours of time learning how to use Shopify or paying someone hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to build a store for you. And I know this personally because back in college, I actually did try out Shopify dropshipping. It was a bit of a flop, but the actual process of getting started was pretty difficult at the time. But these days you can actually launch a ready-to-sell Shopify store that's already preloaded with winning products in just a couple of minutes without having to be a guru or paying someone thousands of dollars. And so the tool you can actually use to get started really easily is called BuildYourStore.ai, and they're the sponsors of today's video and the tool I'm going to be using to build my own Shopify dropshipping store for under $100. So to kick things off, let me show you a step-by-step guide and actually set up my store for you guys so you see how this all works, and then I'll go over my strategy for marketing the store. And so first, guys, to get started, you can visit BuildYourStore.ai/Tom Blake. The video will be in the description box. Again, thanks to Build Your Store for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys want to try out your own Shopify dropshipping challenge like me, you can use the link and you do help support the channel. But once you're on the website homepage, you just need to click the Build My Free Store button to create your own ready-to-sell Shopify store with 10 winning products in about 2 or 3 minutes. And so the sign-up flow is pretty simple, and the first step really is to pick the niche you want your dropshipping store to be in and the kind of products you want to sell. And so there are a couple of options, including fashion and apparel, pets, electronics and gadgets, home and garden, and sports and fitness. You can also select I'm not sure if you want to do it later, but I'm going to pick the sport and fitness niche because I have a few marketing ideas I want to test out, and it's also a niche I'm interested in. Next, you choose some images for your home page and website banner. And again, this is just how Build Your Store's AI tool kind of knows what you like and then actually builds a store that looks decent and ready to sell. Now, you can always tweak design elements later, so this is just a really quick way to get started, so keep that in mind, but all you have to do is pick the images you want and then hit the next step. And so for the next step, all you need to do is create a Shopify account, which is really simple, and you just do this by hitting the Access Shopify button, which brings you to Shopify. From there, you can start a free 3-day Shopify trial without entering your credit card, and so again, you can test out Build Your Store and Shopify dropshipping without entering your credit card details. And this is pretty cool because again, you can kind of poke around and look at what your store would look like without actually paying for Shopify right away. So I do think this is a nice selling point. And on top of that, if you do like how your store looks and you want to actually begin growing a dropshipping business, you can then try out Shopify for 3 months for just $1 per month, which is super affordable. Once you begin your Shopify trial, you just have to link it to your new Build Your Store account, which is also quite simple. Build Your Store shows you all the steps you need to take, but it's basically as simple as accessing Shopify, grabbing your store URL, and then putting it into your Build Your Store's dashboard backend. Once you do that, you're actually ready to load up your store and add some winning products. So let me show you guys how this is done because this is kind of where the fun starts. All right, guys. So in this step, I'm going to show you how Build Your Store and other tools actually let you add products to your store so you can start selling. And these are also products that other dropshippers are already selling, and there's data behind them. So you're not necessarily starting from scratch when it comes to product research. After all, one of the hardest parts of dropshipping and kind of what makes people successful or not is finding the right products to sell. After all, you need to find products that are trendy, can look good on social media, and also have enough margin for your sales to be worth your time. And this is where tools like the AutoDS app can really come in handy, and it works really well with platforms like BuildYourStore.ai. So AutoDS is an automated dropshipping tool that helps store owners find winning products in their niche and fulfill them to customers when they make sales. AutoDS also has a catalog of over 8 million different products, so there's tons of options to choose from. And again, this is the actual software that helps automatically fulfill orders and kind of keeps the whole machine running in the dropshipping model. Now again, kind of like registering for Shopify, you have to register for AutoDS to actually connect it to your store and load it with products. What's nice is there is a 30-day trial for $1. Now AutoDS does have several plans starting as low as $19.90 per month, but with this special offer right now, you don't have to pay this amount and you can just start using it for $1 for the first 30 days. But yeah, it's really simple from there. Basically, once you sign up for AutoDS and you connect it to your Shopify account, BuildYourStore.ai knows to load your store with winning products, and it launches with 10 products out of the gate. So let me hit publish on my store and let me show you guys what it looks like, what some of the products are like, and then I'll cover some of my marketing plans and ambitious goals for this new dropshipping series. But okay guys, so after hitting launch my store, I can actually scroll through it and see the products that AutoDS has put on my storefront, as well as how the whole thing kind of looks. And so I'll just scroll through my new sports and fitness website here, and you'll notice a few cool things. First off, that the homepage is already loaded with, niche related banners, as well as products available for purchase right on the homepage. But if you scroll down some more, you'll see there's some other decent elements you probably want on a Shopify store. For example, there's a nice email capture box, as well as sections to explain why the products are worth buying, and even some testimonials from clients. There's also a contact form so potential customers can ask you questions, and there's also a little about section at the end, plus links to your social media pages that you can create for your new store. Now again, this is still a Shopify store, so it's all fully customizable. You can change images, fonts, text, things like that. So this is really a way to launch a store very quickly, make the tweaks you want, and then begin selling. Again, I remember back in the day when I launched a Shopify dropshipping store in college. It was in the hunting and camping niche, and setting up the store took like an entire week because I was new. So this kind of process can really save you hours of time, especially if you're brand new to Shopify dropshipping. But let me take you guys to the product catalog as well, because I think this is one of the more valuable aspects of Build Your Store and what your actual storefront looks like out of the box. So as you can see, there's a main product for sale plus another 9 products shown down below that have been added to my store by AutoDS. And again, what's cool is that these are kind of ready to sell products because they're products that AutoDS has sales data on. So these are basically products other dropshippers have found success with, and it's why it's recommending that you try them out as well. And in terms of product pages and actual on-page optimization and conversion rate optimization, the product pages are decent. I mean, you can see there's high resolution product images, you can change colors and sizes as well, and it's pretty easy to add products to your cart or to buy it now if you're a customer. I also like that there's an FAQ section, so you could fill these out per product page to basically explain more reasons why a customer might want to buy the product, or maybe some common questions people might have. Now again, I would spend some time tweaking your actual product pages, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to spend some time, kind of redesigning the store a little bit and tweaking a few things, but out of the box, it is definitely a lot of the way there, which is nice to see. Plus, since you now are using AutoDS, you can add more products to your store. So you're not just locked to selling these 10 products. You can delete products, you can add new ones, you can do your own research to find other suppliers as well. So again, it is very flexible because you're using Shopify. And on top of that, Build Your Store also lets you get a free .store domain name for up to 1 year, so you can easily brand your store so it looks more professional when you begin marketing. And finally, I will mention when you actually use Build Your Store, you do gain access to its private dropshipping courses and programs, so you can learn a lot more about dropshipping again, which is really useful if you're brand new to this business model. But anyways, for episode 1, guys, I'm going to spend some time actually designing my store a little bit more and tweaking it, but I do want to actually cover some organic and free marketing ideas I'm going to test out that don't require spending a fortune on Facebook ads. So okay guys, let's cover some marketing ideas here and how you might actually be able to get traffic to your storefront for free or for a very low amount rather than spending a ton of money on ads. Again, when you look at most Shopify dropshipping videos, really they'll launch a store, spend some time designing product pages, and then show you how to set up Facebook ads for your store to begin getting traffic. And I do think these videos are great. However, there are kind of 2 issues I see with a lot of them as a viewer and someone who's relatively new to dropshipping in general. The first is that these videos rarely show you what the ads actually look like. And so it can be pretty intimidating as a beginner to launch this store and then immediately feel like you have to become a Facebook ads expert. And the second problem I really have with a lot of these videos is that they never talk about profit margin. I've worked in paid advertising in the past for my day jobs, and I've ran a lot of ads in the past, and let me tell you, margin is really what matters. Anyone can launch a Shopify dropshipping store, spend $1,000 on Facebook ads, get a bunch of sales, and then make a video that kind of looks like the store is working, when in reality it might be losing 20, 30, 50% or more and have a negative margin. Not to mention, not everyone has hundreds or thousands of dollars to run test advertisements on Facebook, which is why I'm excited to keep this dropshipping challenge under $100, at least for the first few episodes. But in any case, let me move on to kind of 3 different strategies I'm excited to test out that involve free marketing for your dropshipping store. And so really the first marketing strategy I plan on implementing for this dropshipping challenge is to create product guides around the products I'm selling. And I'll explain how this works, and it's super simple and fast. And again, we'll use some AI help here to get started. So you can actually just take a bunch of product URLs and titles from your Shopify store, put them into ChatGPT, and ask it to write you a product buying guide for your niche. And so for this example, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to basically take a bunch of my fitness products and put them into a buyer's guide that people would, read and then maybe want to make a purchase from. And so ChatGPT legitimately spits out a pretty decent product guide. And then all you need to do is touch up the copy, add some images, and you can publish this content right on your Shopify store as a blog post. Now, this is pretty simple. And while I don't think you'll get organic traffic from Google to this new Shopify blog post, this does give you a piece of content you can use to market your store. You can now create Pinterest graphics as an example for this buying guide and post it on Pinterest to various boards you create, or even group boards that relate to your niche. You can do the same thing and you can share it on Quora, you can share it on Reddit, and you can basically post it on social media and get a little bit of free traffic, or even a decent amount of traffic if something like a Pinterest pin goes viral. Now again, this isn't going to get you the surge of traffic you would get if you started running paid ads and spent like $500 a day, but it's free organic traffic. And again, people on platforms like Pinterest are pretty engaged and ready to shop, so the results could be pretty decent. Now, the second tactic you could also consider to market your dropshipping store for free or for a very low amount is to basically make your own viral product videos. Now, this idea is kind of known as organic dropshipping, and the idea is to basically order the products you're selling, make viral interesting videos about them, and then post them to platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Now, I actually want to do this for episode 2 of this dropshipping challenge, so I'm going to order some of my products and take a couple of videos and see if I can get some semi-viral hits. But the idea in and of itself is fairly simple. You basically set up these theme pages on TikTok or Instagram, you create some viral-esque content, and you post it and try to pop off. Now, I'm not a pro at this by any means because I'm very new to dropshipping, but a YouTuber named Mikey again has so much awesome content on his channel about how to start organic dropshipping with your own videos. And he actually has videos where he shows how he's made over $60,000 for a single product, all by ordering his product and then posting videos he makes to TikTok and IG theme pages. This is 60 grand from a single product, and again, he didn't spend money on Facebook ads or TikTok ads. He legitimately just made his own videos and went viral on TikTok and got 60 grand in sales, which is pretty crazy. Now, similarly, the third kind of organic growth hack I want to talk about is basically repurposing videos you find online about your products and then using those to market your store. And really, because AutoDS helps you find winning products that other people are selling, there's a decent chance you can already find marketing material out there that's promoting your products or very similar products. And so you can genuinely just search TikTok for the product you're selling, download the videos with an app like SnapTik to remove the watermark, and then repurpose the video slightly to use in your own marketing efforts. Now again, this is a little bit slimy, I'm not gonna lie, and if you just download someone's content and then repost it to market your store, I think that's wrong, and I don't think that's what you should do. But you could get a little bit creative here. You could download a piece of viral content about a product you're selling and maybe film a reaction video to it, or add a new voiceover, new text prompts, new things like that, and kind of make the video your own a little bit. And again, don't just rip someone off completely. Really, the point is here that you do have opportunities to leverage existing content that's kind of already proven to work. And again, this doesn't require spending a ton of money on Facebook ads or TikTok ads. But anyways, guys, I don't want this video to be half an hour long, so I'm going to wrap up episode 1 of this new dropshipping challenge here. I'm going to spend the next couple of weeks tweaking my store. I'm going to add some new products to it, and then I'm going to start ramping up some of this organic content marketing types of strategies I want to implement for this challenge. And really, my first goal here, guys, is just to get a first sale or two by only relying on organic marketing and not spending any money on paid ads. My ultimate goal eventually is to break $1,000 in total sales and then kind of set new goals from there. But for really episode 2, my actual first goal is just to get a couple of sales without spending money on marketing. Again, I am going to tweak my store. I'm going to add some new products. I'm going to kind of polish it up a little bit, but I'm pretty excited to have started my first dropshipping store with only spending a couple of bucks really. and not dipping into that $100 budget quite yet. Now, if you want to follow along for the journey, definitely subscribe and definitely let me know in the comments below if this dropshipping series is something you're interested and excited about. And if you want to try out dropshipping for yourself, you can check out BuildYourStore.ai in the description box like I mentioned. And again, that does help support the channel, so thank you very much. In any case, I'm super excited for a new series that's a little bit different than some of the other content I've made, so I hope you guys are excited as well and that you want to stick around. That does it for episode 1. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day and week. And as always, don't forget to check out webmonkey.com for more unique ways to make and save money. Catch you guys in the next one.